MC with the husky voice has returned.
Playboy of the Western world.
Every whack MC is getting burned.
Let me out of the door, MC. For the love of Almighty God, let me out.
Well, you're the lad.
Yo, 6'2", weighing 250. My chances of fame are getting kinda iffy. I tried to rock live, but I've been sized up since I tried to rise up from the windows on earth. It's cold out here and I fear my peers can't spot my tears from years of putting in work. The first verse to curse and strike the universe. I reverse all my songs since my music's getting worse. It's all in the family, keep them mad at me. I bring casualties on your hospitalities. I'm feeling so worthless, I chase since my verses. Forcing purchases on the earth's surfaces. It's hard to understand, confused by the man rapping about rap for all the rap fans. I never use similes and metaphors much, but I still clutch the microphone so all minds can touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every beat girl is on the dance floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. We rock so hard it's hard to concentrate. 8, 7, 6, 5. Who guarantee makes it fresh to be alive? 4, 3, 2, 1. All hands should be pointed at the sun. The suggestions of sin will make us all grin. I rotate my body so I can watch the world spin. And so goes the will to watch the pain spill. I'll change my name to Ill so I can cop some cheap thrills. LL Cool Luke, that's my game. The ladies all love me since they all know my name. The bird's in the bucket, I hope that you can trust it. The mic's getting rusted since I blow my whole budget. Record the obvious since the option's extreme. I'll swim in the fame till I'm drowning in my dreams. It's hard to breathe when the snow's in the breeze. So change the degrees if you want the call to leave. Restore the sentence, let the default take place. You're good at crew sweating but we can't see your face. Introduction, I'm Lou Guarantee. It's the return of the MC.
Playboy of the Western world.